So students, in this session, we are going to discuss about writing a C program for finding factorial of any given number using do while loop, right? So you can simply see that we have included some library files here. However, we can, if we want, we can only take studio.h as a header file, as a printf and scanf function is having definitions in this header file. Thereafter, we are going to start with void man as a function. Compiler is going to know that it have to make entry from here. Int n I equals to 1, f equals to 1. So basically we are having three variables here, n, I, f. Both all are integer type variables, and I is assigned as a 1 and f is assigned as a 1. Initially they are declared with the 1. Now user statement is here. Enter the number for finding factorial. We can write here, enter the number for finding factorial, right? So whatever number, if user want to find factorial of 10, factorial of 15, whatever, he or she can enter that, right? So that message will be delivered. And here scanf %d %m%. So whatever number user is going to enter, that is going to be stored at the address of n variable, at the address of n, right? Now do while loop. Do while loop, the very important functionality of do while loop is it execute at least once, right? Now f equals to f into I. What is the initial value of f1? What is the initial value of I1? 1 into 1, 1. So right now the value of f that is holding f is 1. And I plus plus I is post incremented. So the value of I is going to become 2 now. And while I is less than equals to n. So let's say user have entered the value of n is a 5. Then 2 is less than equals to 5. True or false? True. So 2 is less than equals to 5. Yes, 2. Again, this do while loop is going to work. And f equals to f into I. Right now, f is having 1, I is having 2. 2 into 1 is 2. And I plus plus I is going to be post incremented. So I is going to become 3 from 2. Now 3 is less than equals to 5. True. F equals to f into I. What is the latest value of f2? What is the latest value of I? 3. 2 into 3, 6. So f is going to have 6 now. And I plus plus I is going to become 4. 4 is less than equals to 5. True or false? True. Again, f equals to f into I. What was the latest value of f? 6. What is the latest value of I? 4. 6 into 4, 24. And I plus plus I is going to become 5 from 4. Now, while 5 is less than equals to 5, true. Again, it is going to run f equals to f. What is the value of f? 24 into I, 5. 24 into 5, that is 24 5s are 120. I plus plus I becomes 6. I becomes 6. So 6 is less than equals to 5. False. If it is false, printf the factorial of %d, whatever user have entered as an n, that is the factorial of 5 is %d f. What is the latest value of f at the last? 120. So the factorial of 5 is 120. This is how you have to run it, right? However, I am going to execute it on the command prompt so that you can also see that how exactly it's going to run. Let me run it. Right, it's compiled executable file, and let's calculate the factorial of 10. So the factorial of 10 is in front of your screen. So I hope the concept is clear to everyone. Further, any kind of doubt or query, you can ask me in the comment section. Have a nice day, guys. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.